Hello, in this video we will learn on how to create an administrator to remote to a target device in BMC Client Management. In order to do so, we'll need to first create an administrator in BMC console and configure its security profile to connect to the target device. For that, you need to log into BMC console, click on Global Settings, go to Administrator and create an administrator and give it a user-friendly name. We'll then proceed by configuring its security profile and setting the capabilities tab for this profile as follows. We'll then further proceed by highlighting the target device under the device group for static objects and configuring its static object properties as follows. Once this is done, we can then log in to the BCM console with a new user that we just created and then test if the remote to the target device is working. In the upcoming videos, we will be performing the same steps in details. So let's get started. So we've logged into BCM console. You click on Global Settings, go to Administrator, and in the right pane, click on Create Administrator. I give it a user-friendly name and set the password for it. Once that is done, expand it and go to security profile. Here we will configure the capabilities. So under devices, you will enable the view permission for devices and for device group. You then proceed to the direct access option, and here you will set manage and view permission to yes, and for remote control also manage and view permission to you. Further, we'll move to the file transfer, and on manage we'll click on yes. Click on OK and proceed to static objects. Right click, click on add object. Under the object type, browse to device groups and browse to that specific device you want to remote to. Click on and highlight it. Click on plus sign and set the permission as follows. So read is allow, write will be deny, assign will be deny, acknowledgement pop-up will be not required, and direct access is allowed. We'll then proceed to the remote control access permission, where we set remote control access to allow and the pop-ups to be set to acknowledgement pop-up to be set to not required. Click on OK and OK again. We'll leave the dynamic object the way it is, because with these settings itself we'll be able to remote to the target device. Now I just go back to the console link and log into it with the new test account. Okay. Now this is the device that I am going to remote to. So I'll just copy its name and put it in the search box. Once that is done, I could right click and click on remote control. And yes, I will be able to remote into it. In case you want to log into it, you need to have the credentials for the same. And there you go. You're able to log into the target device. This validates that the security profile that we created for the new administrator has helped us remote to the target device. Thank you for watching the video.